While I was carting around firewood, I broke the handle of my neighbor's wheelbarrow. Not surprising really, since it's spent the last 15 years sitting outside, but I figured I'd fix it up for him. In this video, I'll go through the process of replacing both the handles of this old True Temper wheelbarrow. It starts by removing the old bolts holding everything together. If you're lucky, you'll be able to unscrew these with a wrench or impact driver and reuse them later. If you're unlucky, you may have to cut them off and buy new ones. A couple of these carriage bolts were spinning, so I'm using an angle grinder and a cutoff wheel to cut some notches in the heads. This will allow for a flathead screwdriver to keep the bolt head from spinning. I use one of the handles to locate the hole locations in the new ones. Using a drill slightly larger than the bolts, I drill through the new handles at the marked locations. This next part is slightly out of sequence because I put these plastic wedges on backwards at first, so bear with me. Just ignore the fact that the front bracket is on the handles for now. Thread the bolts back through the wheelbarrow and put the new handles on. Then add the stand to the bottom of the wheelbarrow and tighten the bolts down. With those on, add the front bracket that joins the handles together. It's probably a good idea to grease the wheel axle before adding the hubs. With the wheel attached, it's fixed. Now I can get back to moving all this firewood to the pile. Thanks for following along in this quick video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.